as we slide in to a new era, to a new energy, yes, to a new way of thinking, to a new way of living, to a new way of feeling, yes, feeling lighter, feeling more compassionate, feeling happier. Well, not everybody will do that. People, they have something in them which is not happy, which is not content, which is not advancing, which is holding on to the old stuff. Of course, if you have something heavy, you move not only slower, sometimes you cannot even move. So all of you, get rid of the old luggage. No, you don't need it. New things are coming. Good things are coming. Be part of it. Make sure you're part of it by a good mindset and by a good attitude. Live lighter, live happier, because 5D is real and 5D is coming.